Ripple, as you may be aware, is introducing its liquidity hub. However, rumors have circulated that the hub is rigged. Is that correct? Will Ripple soar to new heights on a worldwide scale as a result of this? And which one? What other initiatives could assist Ripple in blowing up? To discover out, watch the video until the conclusion. But first, at the end of the month, we'll give out $25 to a random subscriber. To begin their XRP adventure, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to it, and watch it. In the comments area, please share your thoughts about XRP. Greetings, XRP Army. It was unveiled in mid-September 2021, as we have stated in earlier videos. Ripple Labs was attempting to create a Bitcoin market-making platform. An anonymous insider told CoinDesk that Ripple was trying to hire up to 10 additional staff, including a crypto trader with experience in arbitrage between different types of exchanges and a marketing executive in charge of building commercial ties, exchanges and liquidity providers. According to the research, Ripple was also found to be hiring an institutional markets analyst. The job posting emphasized Ripple's vision of a value-added internet. A strong crypto market and efficient digital assets necessitate high liquidity, which is a fundamental requirement, a component of bringing that vision to fruition. Ripple's representative strongly denied that the business was working on a market-making instrument. By the way, were you aware of this criticism? Please let us know in the comments section below. Ripple, the blockchain expert and creator of the XRP cryptocurrency, announced the next. The Ripple Liquidity Hub has been up and running for more than 2 months. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and XRP will be the first cryptocurrencies supported by the platform. Ripple plans to extend its functionality in the future, including adding staking and yield-producing features. This new solution will be built on Ripple's on-demand liquidity technology, which has been in use for nearly 2 years and will be available as a customer-facing product. To put it another way, Ripple will provide aggregated access to cryptocurrency market makers, exchanges, and OTC desks to corporations, with CoinMe serving as the first. As an alpha version partner, a licensed Bitcoin ATM company in the United States has been announced. There are thousands of sites in the United States. Smart order routing will be utilized to source digital assets from the market at the best possible prices. Moneymakers, exchanges, and over-the-counter desks are all examples of moneymakers. The complete financial solution. This list of institutions is meant to aid in the acceleration of the Bitcoin migration. Businesses can use the Ripple Liquidity Hub to provide their end users with the opportunity to buy, sell, and hold digital assets at the best available price, over a number of venues. In addition, the organization intends to address specific pain areas for commercial clients, although the definitions of market-making platform and liquidity hub are not always the same. It appears that Ripple merely chose to deny the allegation back in September in order to divert attention away from a project that is still in its early phases of development. Denying mostly accurate rumors, on the other hand, may have the opposite impact. This is especially true for companies participating in the digital asset ecosystem, which experiences tremendous volatility on a regular basis. The fear is that the next rumor will be taken more seriously because the prior rumor genuine and the authorities disproved it. This just goes to show how important it is to have a solid communications team in place and how it may affect a company's long-term success. In general, the best reaction to this kind of rumor is no comment. We are confident that Ripple has. It has learned its lesson and will continue to support the company regardless of what occurs. Do you think Ripple will eventually convince the rest of the world that the Liquidity Hub is a good idea? If so, be sure to like this video. Aside from that, the Liquidity Hub concept is an excellent initiative. Why? Let's go through them one by one. As you may be aware, Ripple has been using Liquidity Hub for internal purposes. It has provided liquidity management as part of its on-demand liquidity service for over 2 years, allowing millions of transactions worth billions of dollars to be performed. Following a successful beta test, Ripple will make the product available to its hundreds of clients around the world, as well as any financial institutions, banks, fintech startups, or enterprises that need help preparing for the inevitable transition to a crypto-first world. Unlike other available solutions, Liquidity Hub is now geared to the expectations of corporate clients and their specific requirements through simple onboarding and the availability of a simplified API for accessing digital assets from a varied variety of liquidity pools. In addition, optimal pricing for a wide variety of digital content will be available. This enables businesses to provide their customers the best pricing possible from a variety of liquidity venues. Enterprises will be exempt from having to fund their liquidity hub accounts. They will be able to access working capital using Ripple to assist their business operations. And now for the good news. According to CoinMe, Ripple's first beta partner for the alpha product is none other than Unlike CoinMe, the largest licensed cryptocurrency cash network in the United States, with thousands of locations around the country. CoinMe will initially rely on the technology framework with the liquidity hub as its core, with plans to add more functionality when it becomes available in the future. If you feel the liquidity hub will propel Ripple to the next level, leave a comment with the hashtag XRP Army. Furthermore, there is even more exciting news about Ripple's future. In less than 4 weeks, a group of friends from the Netherlands launched one of the world's fastest-growing internet enterprises, which went on to achieve record-breaking growth. The Xpunks NFT went from a single tweet to a market valuation of $100 million in 4 weeks. The unusual collection of digital artwork takes pride in being more than simply a JPG. It sees itself as part of a friendly community with lofty goals for expansion and collaboration with some of the world's most powerful corporations. In the midst of a sea of fresh NFT initiatives, Xpunks have managed to stand out. Influencers quickly jumped on board, changing their profile images to custom-made Xpunks, allowing the campaign to reach a far larger audience almost soon after its launch. Xpunks stood out from the start since it was the first to reveal plans to mint on the XRPL, which is the ledger of using the XRP currency. Because XRP has such a high, this quickly resulted in the project gaining a cult following known as the XRP Army. This quickly gained popularity. The project's creators went on to reveal their true identities, and they quickly established themselves as a vital resource for other crypto and NFT aficionados wanting to learn more about a topic that may be difficult to understand at times. Because XRP has not yet officially launched its NFT utility, the project has not yet released any NFTs. Instead, they've produced an IU token, which may be exchanged for an XPUNK NFT whenever XRP's ledger is modified to include NFTs, as previously indicated. Many individuals feel that the XRP ledger's utility will be more efficient and cost-effective than alternative solutions. Xpunks intends to host the vast majority of existing NFT applications on Ethereum. You must use the XRP ledger's utility to accomplish this. Users will be able to construct a safe public community for a wide range of digital objects using the XRP blockchain. According to Ripple, artwork will be available for purchase using the XRP coin. Following their example is the first of its kind on XRPL. Several more projects have followed in their footsteps. The Xpunks community has chosen to lead via collaboration rather than rivalry, aiding other projects in their growth and alerting members to potential scams and fraud. Unfortunately, the NFT community has been the victim of deceitful individuals who promised an NFT gold mine and then vanished with the money. This conduct has been denounced by the Xpunks, who believe that true artwork exchange and future uses in gaming and metaverse-style interactivity are the way forwards. The Xpunks and CryptoPunks share hundreds of characteristics, including several that are extremely rare and sought after by collectors. The Xpunks' quick growth, as well as the interval between introduction and mint, has allowed. This frees up the team's time to focus on community growth, their roadmap, and giving back to the group. And the XRP community by, among other things, appearing on well-known shows such as the Bearable Bull influencer within the community. This openness to criticism and transparency, as well as the Ask Me Anything sessions, have aided the project's quick development. They strive toward their high goals by offering and accepting ongoing input and feedback from the community. What do you think about Ripple's Liquidity Hub? And what do you think about the Xpunks project? Let us know in the comments section. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have got 2 videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.